So the concept was, we will be loading the component, then this we will swing it and we have to tighten this. The reason is, every time if you want to unload, then you have to put it 180 degree. You have to tilt the entire 180 degree. So that is very difficult. So instead of that, we have given just like a stopper option. Better to load it at the back side. That's the best way of doing principle. Then the hinge can stop here at a particular angle. Again, you can move it. It's spring loaded. Actually, all the four are spring loaded. Then the swing clamp, which you can just do that. Only 2 nuts you can tighten.
The orientation pin ensures that the component is positioned correctly during the operation. The reason for using a 2-rib construction is to reduce costs. If we used one large piece of raw material and removed excess material, it would be very expensive. By incorporating the 2-rib design, we can maintain strength and stability while saving on material costs.